Tell her we're here.
I know what don't know.
Yay! No! You're so orange. You're so orange. That's what I said. You kind of smell like an orange.
I'm gonna open it now.
Oh, okay.
You have to open this one first.
Oh, okay. Presents! Okay, wait. Okay.
Tish.
The door's locked. Get under the crack.
No, do you have... Oh!
It's the only way.
Tish, do you have the garage opener in there?
Nope, I just looked.
It should be.
I just looked. It's not in there.
I ain't crawling under that.
You're the only one that'll fit.
Polar bear dog!
Obi! Obi! Ow. Come on, Nick, you can do it. No, you just gotta, yeah. You can't lift it. You can fit. Nick, you have to get dirty, okay? What?
Huh?
Obi.
Hey, yeah, hey. Oh!
Tish. That is so gross.
This is life and death matter.
Because I just wanted to see if I could. Either of you guys could have.
The door's still locked.
Oh, yeah. Mom, look what I got! I've always wanted a ukulele.
Do you know how to make it? Just play?
Yeah, a little bit, but I need to download some chords. Nice, alright? Excuse me, Crystal.
Do you want spaghetti? Okay. Ew, you're descaling the fish? Yeah.
That smells good, Tish.
It is pretty good.
I think so.
Time's it now. Sit down.
What time is it now? Look, Obi, what's that?
Don't let him hit the PlayStation. I'm trying to watch this movie. Asshole.
It's ready.
Oh no! That looks cool.
Quick, he's gonna get out.
Hurry, hurry, Tish, hurry!
Yeah, he found his way out.
Can't start our engines.
Obi! I think he's getting tired.
He's gonna have a good sleep tonight.
I know what it is. I'm gonna try.
He said it's a suicide mission.
Is Obi character? Caricature? Puppy. Oh, that's recorded.
I don't know, maybe it's good.
Let me see. Oh,
You don't have to turn this on?
no, but I'll figure it out. Oh, you just. Oh, come here, come on. You sound like oh, baby.
We are not in order of birth anymore.
You destroyed everything.